Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We come back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Make sure to turn the bell notification to all. When also we put in a new video, you're going to be notified, or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord, depending on which one you like. The link of them is down in the description of that video, because in our Discord and our Telegram we given their free signals those days, so you can even you benefiting from those things. They're free. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see today, the market, after the interest rate decision it came today, the market is showing here a big falling down today. That bad news for long-term investors, but also we tell it to you when we used to be here at 30k. People they've been with us, they remember that we used to be here. We told you there is a correction going to happen, and it's going to be the last correction before the major jump. And that's what you see until now. Also we are falling down here, and the Bitcoin today is it at 25k. And don't say me I don't tell it to you before. I told you before, when we touch here, I told you to buy 20% from your capital, and we got here down 50%. We are very close to touch it. Here, when we are going to touch it, I think from here the Bitcoin is going to go up. If it doesn't, also we still have another 50%. Then also I'm going to divide it for you here. But the bad news here today, we used to have here that wage. I've been showing to you all those days, the past days, you remember, like that. That wage, look at it today, it's getting broke here in that candle here. What that indicating? That indicating the Bitcoin is going to fall down more than that. To know exactly the target, you came here, you draw it like that, a vertical line, and you bring it to the place where it's getting broke, attachment here, and you're doing the target down here. Let's do it together to see where it's going to go exactly. So we do it like that. We came here, that the wage, as we said before, like that and like that. It's getting broke here now. That one, the take profit of it, exactly where it's going to be. Let's bring it like that, then we make it like that. So it's going to fall down till down here at 20k. As you see it, that the analysis of technical analysis exactly telling us it's going to fall down till here till 20k. Should we enter short, or we put in here a pending order here at 21k 460? Should we put in there a pending order? No, my friend, there is no need, because if you remember what I showed you yesterday, I show you that indicator of us here. It enter here to the oversold area as you see it. That one also we don't base 100% on it. Also we wait in the other one. But till now everything's still looking good now here. Only thing here, that wage will get broke today. Will make us a little bit worried. But also we used to have here the down channel. If you remember, people they've been with us have been talking about the down channel here. Like that. Also now we're just touching here the lower of the down channel here. So maybe from here we're going to see the Bitcoin going up. Even that one, it's possible. Plus, those days we're trading in smaller time frames, because people they know for long term you need to be investor. For short term, yes, we're benefiting from all those fallings and going up. And you, if you are not there, you can join us. But if you prefer just to be for long term investor, I show you everything before. And as you see here now, you see here the 50 moving average here. It's crossing the 100 here in that place here. What that indicating is indicating that when the Bitcoin maybe is going to fall down a little bit. I told you, me personally, from here, from the 200 moving average here, we are going to buy 50% from our capital. We're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days. But now here, it's showing to us also we are here in a downtrend. As you see it, guys, everything is in front of you. And let me show you last time when the 50 moving average cross above. It cross above here as you see it here. It give you here a fake out here. But here when it's crossing above here, look what happened. Then the last correction is happened here. Now it's going up. Now it's falling down. Let's see here in the 200 moving average how it's going to react. If it doesn't, the Bitcoin is going to fall down till here. Look at that peak here, that one here. That you need to be focused about it, what the Bitcoin is going to do there, that level here. You see it or no? So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here we don't need to make the video too long. Now let's go into see the coming news for today for pictures to get more clear to you. The coming news for today, as you see it, even today we got a very busy day, as you see it, but it will not be busy like yesterday and before yesterday. Today we got retail sales of USA, initial jobless claim, and that Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index. Plus we got retail sales. Even that too we need to be focused about. But it's going, all of them they are going to come at 12:30. That means the time also we are not going to be active traders at that time. And here as you see it, the ECB interest rate decision. That means the Eurozone they are going to give the interest rate decision. Even that one you need to be focused about. So tomorrow all the focus is going to be about that one here. And the ECB press conference, what that Christine Lagarde is going to tell people who follow her. I think picture is too clear here, but everything is going to be like how USA done today. And also we analyze what Jerome Powell say today. Everything in our Telegram, in our Discord. So you can even you join us there. And here is our friend, the table of us as you see it here. Look at it today, what it's telling us. Look here. What fall down today is the Dow Jones, but the SP and the Nasdaq, both of them they close in the day green, a little bit green. What can we say? The SP it's been falling, but with the press conference came, he moved up. The only one who doesn't move up is the Bitcoin, because the Bitcoin now, what can we say? He tried to go out from the correlation with being with US stock market, and that's a bad news because that Gary Gensler and the SEC, the war of them against the crypto in America. That's why we see those days crypto is not correlated to US market, but everything is well going back how it used to be. And here our friend is the VIX. As you see it, the VIX is still very low. That mascareness is still very low because what Jerome Powell said today. So everything's still looking great for US market. Me I'm talking here is going to happen a correction, and when it's going to be the right time, I'm going to give a signal in my Telegram and my Discord channel. That's why me I told you join us. Me I'm talking here about US stock market because till now us we can't buy from the top of the market. It needs to happen a correction for us to buy. Till now there is no correction, so there is no buying yet. And here US dollar it's falling down. That was me I told you the Bitcoin there is something not right because US dollar it's falling down, but the Bitcoin it's still falling down. That's something not right. That's why me I told you that war. So I think picture is too clear here. We don't need to make the video too long. Now let's go in to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours for swing trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. Over here, yesterday video, we do like that. Exactly like that. And here down. Exactly like that from that those ones, and you can find it even on the thumbnail of the video. Look at it today. It's getting broke down here. What that meant? That meant you need to enter short, guys. Take profit exactly where it needs to be. I'm going to tell it to you. You came like that, and that signal I just give it in my Telegram and my Discord channel. Here we sat down here and down here like that. That the triangle also used to have. It's getting broke here. We came here. We're doing a line like that. And exactly in the place where it's getting broke, we do it like that. So the Bitcoin is going to fall down till down here. Till 23,800 or 23,800. I think picture is very clear here. We don't need to make the video too long, guys. But another thing very important, I showed it to you before. I told you here in all the videos also been talking about like that. I've been telling you we used to have here that flag like that. You remember it, that flag here. You can find it even in the last videos. That flag here is getting broke. That one also we enter base on it in 30 minutes. And that one it's bring exactly the take profit because that one the take profit of it used to be just here like that. That one is bring exactly the take profit. So now I think the Bitcoin maybe is going to fall down, maybe it's going to move up. But for us to enter long here in the 4 hours, there is nothing yet. We need to wait in a price action. What I've been teaching you. Now is it a falling knife? We can't catch it now. It needs to bounce a little bit to give us here a price action. So there is nothing yet here. So we need to wait in more till the right time, guys. And here, look at it. The moving averages. It's still below than the other. So it's showing to us the market it's still falling down. But as we go down here, the lower of that channel, I'm going to show it to you when we reach our indicator. Now let's go into our indicator, what it's saying here. So let's go in there. Our indicator, guys, we got here a very clear divergence here. Let me show it to you for pictures to get more clear to you. Look here, guys, if you came to that two here, that one here, and that one here, and down here, look here, and here. What you seeing? You got a very clear divergence here, down. Look at it. Like that, very clear divergence. So that two, you got here a divergence, guys. Should you enter long now? No, my friend, there is no entry long now. We need a price action. The price action is need to tell us there is a long coming. Yes or no? And us now we are very close to hit the oversold area. So we need to wait in if we are going to hit it down here. And from here, we're going to make a decision based on that. So till now, the bears, they're still in control of that market. We tell it to you when we used to be here. We told you there is no balls yet. Look at them. Just you by your eye. Let me take it those ones like that. And to explain those things to you, look here. Where is the times the market enter to the bulls market? Here and here. That's it. And how long it's staying down here, down in that wall here. Look at it. So who is powerful now until that time? It's the bears. There is no balls yet in that market, and that's what us we've been talking about. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. Here it is, that our indicator, guys. As you see it, it's enter here to the oversold area. So should we enter long? Because level us, we are in a very stronger level. Should we enter long? No, my friend, there is no entry long. Us here, remember that channel us we used to be talking about all that time here. Even in the last video, we talk about it. Look at that channel, us we been talking about. We touched the lower of it here. So that one, we need to be concerned about what the market is going to do. Short, where we enter short, people they been with us here for swing trading. We enter short from here, from the top, when the market gave us here the double top. At this time here, should we enter short or enter long? Personally, I don't advise you to enter short. That's it. At this time, we need to wait to enter long, guys. But it's need the market to give us here a price action telling us we need to enter long. So the people they enter now from that short us we show you here, from that signal here, use a stop loss, put it just here in that level, and take profit. You put it down and just show it to you. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see for scalping and day trading, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes, you, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here exactly we used to have that flag. You can find it in our Telegram, here in YouTube, in community tab, in our Discord. We give you here a signal. We told you we got here a flag that after the press conference of the Fed is getting broke here. Look at it. It's bring exactly the take profit, because the take profit of that one, we make it just like that, and we make it like that. Look at it. That candle here break exactly the take profit. Now here at that level where we are, should we enter long? Here at that level? No, my friend, there is no entry long now. Now for us to enter long, it's need the market to give us here a price action. Till now we haven't got any price action here. Now actually the market he tried to give us here like a small penalty here. Yes or no? Should we enter long? No, there is no entry long. We need the market to bounce like that a little bit. Then the market to tell us if we are going to enter long or no. For us to enter long now, what we need, look at it, that one here. And us we still very far away from it, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, guys. Our indicator is enter here to the oversold area. So technically us we need to enter long. Did we got any price action here? No, my friend, we haven't. So we need to wait in more till the right time, guys. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.